Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Mk4 vs Mk5 drag race full comparison. Start by noting traction, power band, and weight differences for each car. Focus on launch technique, gearing, and turbo spool to identify winning tactics. I will walk through reaction times, gear shifts, and clutch control in simple steps. Listen for cues about tire choice and track prep that often determine race outcomes. I'll compare lap data and recommend practical setup changes you can try at the track. Both Mk4 and Mk5 have distinct strengths. Start with engine output, torque curve, and turbo size comparisons. Consider weight distribution and aero differences. Note transmission gearing and differential setups that affect acceleration. I will explain how traction control and launch maps change results and give clear signs to watch during a run. This will help you pick the faster car for specific track conditions. I'll also mention tire compound choices and pressure tips that matter at the strip. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and post-race snacks tidy and spill-free, perfect for track days. I picked it because it's leak-proof, durable, and easy to clean. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more content you enjoy. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Small driver inputs change race outcomes more than you might expect. Practice consistent launch RPM, smooth clutch release, and crisp upshifts to reduce wheel spin and lost time. Stagger your shifts to match turbo spool and avoid bogging in mid-range. Watch your reaction time at the lights and aim for repeatable runs. I include easy drills for practice. These habits benefit both Mk4 and Mk5 drivers seeking faster, more predictable quarter-mile times.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.